So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change words throughout your entire spreadsheet. So maybe you just want to change out one word, perhaps like we're currently in the Christmas gift tracker, perhaps your country uses the word present instead of gift, and maybe you want to swap that out. Or maybe you're taking an English spreadsheet and you want to turn it into a Spanish one. So you want to change out all the English words for Spanish ones. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. So it's using the find and replace function. So we're going to go to edit, find and replace. There's also a shortcut depending on what type of computer you're using. It should show for yours when you do that. And then all you're going to do is put the word that you want it to find. So I'm going to put in gift, and then I'm going to replace it with present. And then you want to make sure it searches all sheets. And then I wouldn't search within formulas. That's a more advanced feature. I would just leave it like this and then replace all. But if you are looking for certain words within your formulas, you can change that. But that's more of an advanced thing because you got to be careful that if you do change certain words and they're based off of, let's say your formula includes different sheets with different names, this doesn't automatically change the name of any of your sheets down here. So your tabs, it doesn't change that. So like gift list will still say gift list until I manually change that to say present list. So just be aware of that. This is only going to change what's inside the words of the cells, not the actual formulas, okay? So once I've put in my word, I've put in the replacement word, I'm going to search all sheets. I'm going to click on replace all. It's going to ask me, am I sure? I'm going to click OK. I'm going to get a heads up warning because that's with my template. You should not get this if you're using your own template, so don't worry about that. But you can see it now changed to Christmas present tracker, total presents, present down here. So it did say gift there. So that's all changed. It does say for my little hyperlinks here, present list. It'll still connect to my gift list. So if any of your tabs have those words in there, you'll have to manually go change our little tabs here. So I could just double click in and choose, instead of gift, put in present, and make sure you spell it right. There you go. And so that will change there. So wherever I look, if I see any other words that say gift, it should say, yeah, total presents. So it changes everywhere throughout the spreadsheet. Total presents. If I go on the dashboard, it probably will say here somewhere, like present list, present list. Yeah, so it updates like that. So you could do it with any language as well. It's just find and replace. So unfortunately, if you're doing it to change to a different language, it's going to take a little bit longer of a time, but it's still the easiest way versus going into each individual sheet, each individual cell and changing it manually. This is the easiest way I could find. So let me know if you have any questions. If not, I will see you in the next tutorial, hopefully. Thank you.